Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model Y mirror. Whether you are replacing a damaged mirror, performing a custom wrap, or simply need to access components behind it, understanding this process is key. We will go through each step to ensure a smooth and successful removal, helping you maintain your vehicle's integrity and appearance. Let's get started with the necessary preparations. Before starting, ensure you have the right tools. A plastic trim removal toolkit is essential to prevent scratches on your vehicle's interior. You will also need a 10mm socket, a T25 or T30 Torx bit, and a drill or ratchet. The first crucial step is to carefully remove the door panel, which provides access to the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Take your time with this initial disassembly. Once the door panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror assembly. Next, gently release any clips that secure the window electrical harness and the door glass run seal. This provides clear access to the mirror's mounting points. You will find 3 10mm bolts that firmly attach the mirror to the door. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts, ensuring they are not lost. With the bolts removed and the electrical harness disconnected, you can now lift the mirror assembly upwards to fully release it from the door. Carefully route the electrical harness through the door opening as you remove the mirror. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all 3 10mm bolts are tightened to 15 Nm, and all clips and electrical connectors are securely fastened for proper function and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.